Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to start now. Stop talking and avoid whispering because whispering strains fragile cords. Drink room temperature water steadily and inhale steam to rehydrate the mucosa. This reduces friction and swelling. Once done, use a humidifier at night and avoid caffeine or alcohol, which dehydrate. If pain is significant, take acetaminophen and avoid ibuprofen only when bleeding risk exists. These steps reduce inflammation and prevent further injury. So commit to strict voice rest during this acute phase to let tissues begin repair. Once acute rest helps, begin controlled rehabilitation with gentle warm-ups to reintroduce vibration without strain. Lip trills and humming for 3 to 5 minutes increase blood flow and coordination. Make sure to work with a speech-language pathologist to retrain breath support and reduce laryngeal tension. They show you exactly how and why each exercise modifies misuse. Also adjust posture and practice diaphragmatic breathing to lower subglottic pressure. These middle steps rebuild efficient phonation and prevent. To finalize recovery, follow up with an ENT if hoarseness persists beyond 2 to 4 weeks so they can inspect for nodules, polyps, or infection and recommend targeted treatment. If reflux or allergies contribute, start prescribed proton pump inhibitors or antihistamines and modify diet to reduce acidic triggers. This reduces chronic irritation. Maintain vocal hygiene. Hydrate, avoid smoke, and warm up before heavy use. If your voice suddenly worsens, you have severe pain, or notice blood, seek urgent medical attention immediately. Don't wait.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.